My name is Joey and I will be giving you my video presentation over my restoration images. I didn't have as much problems with my assignments, but a couple, and I'll tell you along the way what those were. This is my first picture I decided to restore. I picked it because it seemed like the cracks were in fairly easy places to repair them, and most of the spots are easy to repair. And then this is my final product. As you can see, it turned out pretty well. There's no noticeable damage. You can tell the photo's still a little old, but I also tried to help some of the contrast in color by changing some of those values. I think it turned out pretty well. Some of the issues I had were working with places in her hair or in the grass. Sometimes that was a little difficult. And my second image was this one. Again, I picked it because the cracks and all the solid colors would be really easy to repair those. And I didn't have much problems with this one at all. As you can see with my final product, I think it turned out quite nicely. I used some color balance and some brightness and contrast to make the colors appear a lot sharper and just overall the quality better. And I think this one turned out really well.